guys doing? I'm Dan from The New Travel. Are you guys looking for free things to do in the city of Vancouver? Then you've come to the right place.
For me, no. Yeah, one more do it.
So one popular thing to do is to explore the neighborhood that I'm in now, and that is called Gastown. You can see a few tourists behind me hanging out by the old steam clock. Oh, there it goes. Just don't set your watch to that thing. It's been wrong the last couple times I checked. But seriously, Gastown is one of the more unique neighborhoods in Vancouver. It's got that European style, cobblestone streets, cool restaurants, places to eat, places to shop, stuff like that. So definitely worth a look. So once you're done with Gastown, you can walk just a couple blocks over and you will find some pretty cool views of the waterfront. And the waterfront's pretty huge. You could actually spend about an hour down here walking around if you want to. I'm not going to do that because I got other things to show you. Hey, by the way, that building just above me, that's called the Vancouver Lookout. As the name suggests, it gives pretty cool views of the city. It's not free, so it's not on this list, but if you do have a few bucks to spend, I think it's like 12 bucks or something, you get to go up, and especially like on a clear day at sunset, like that's a good thing to do too. So one suggestion for you guys, this is probably one that a lot of you guys know about. It's called Stanley Park. And Stanley Park is this huge park that's right next to downtown Vancouver. It's basically a rainforest, so you've got some wildlife out there, you've got some crazy trees, like 600-year-old trees and stuff like that. So you could spend hours and hours walking around Stanley Park. Plan a whole day around it if you really like the nature. Something else that's really popular in the summertime is to take the bike path that goes around Stanley Park. Now it's a long path, it's like 8 or 9 kilometers or something like that, so it will take you a while, but it hugs the ocean and it's just beautiful. Like if you're into bike rides or a long walk, I guess, I would recommend checking that out for sure. Now guys, if you didn't get enough park from Stanley Park, or if you just want to try something different, there's another awesome park called Queen Elizabeth. And Queen Elizabeth Park is a bit harder to get to from downtown. It's around 30th Avenue, so it's a bit to the south, but it's very accessible on transit. You can take a bus up Main Street. There's different ways to get there. And Queen Elizabeth Park has a lot of flower gardens. It has some kind of like little Asian gardens and stuff like that. And most importantly, it has a pretty wicked view of downtown because it's on top of a hill. So if you want to get a classic picture with the downtown skyline and the water and the mountains, like everything, I'll show you the picture I got there. So if you guys want to get this sort of iconic view of downtown with the snow-capped peaks in the background, Queen Elizabeth Park is a great place to go. It's pretty cool, right? So if you want that kind of view, you can go to Queen Elizabeth Park. Of course, it's free, and on a nice day, it's a great place to hang out. So hey, parks aren't for everyone. Let's say you want something else to do. I would recommend taking a walk down Main Street, or even Commercial Drive. Like those are two streets that have a lot of character, yeah, and a lot of cool restaurants, and just like they're kind of hipster neighborhoods, so you can find some cool things to do if you're into that. So the next tip I got for you guys is at a place called Kitsilano. Kitsilano used to be like the old hippie neighborhood. Now it's kind of gentrified. It's a bit overpriced, to be honest, but it does have an awesome beach called Kits Beach. And Kits Beach, Kitsilano Beach, is just a really chill place to hang out. And there's always fun stuff happening there in the summertime. Like you'll have free yoga classes sometimes, you'll have people playing sports on the grass. It can get busy, but there's a good reason why it gets busy, because it's an awesome beach. As always guys, I'm Dan from The New Travel. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have your own tips, leave them in the comments. And yeah, have a great day.